nightly dog walk. We get to walk the dogs and hear all the dogs in the neighborhood, the ones that stay in their yards and the ones that go out during the day and chase after us. The most important thing that we bring with us is this, so we can throw it at a dog in case it tries to attack us, which we never do because Alejandro's really tough and he just throws it up in the air and they know it's coming and they go away. So this is our walk, and the dogs walk us and we don't walk them.